In our home, there are 3 Pacific sacred altars for our ancestors. One for the ancient ancestors, one for the Garifuna warrior chiefs, and one for the recent ancestors, those who have just died. The altars are basically our way of honoring the ancestors and keeping their memories alive. The ancient ancestors altar has artifacts from our motherland Urame, including sand, ocean water, rocks, and shells from St. Vincent. The altar for the Garifuna warrior chief features a statue of Chief Joseph Chatier, who died on March 14, 1795, during the onset of the last Carib War with the British. The altar also has a wooden pipe. The altar for the recent ancestor is divided on 2 shelves. One level has religious artifact, including a statue of the Escapulas, indigenous or Black Jesus, holy water, white candle.
I remember when we went to St. Vincent and the Grenadines and we visited the island of Baliso. There was not an altar, but there was a makeshift altar that was put down, but that was arranged by Bodoma and the late Aurelio Martinez. And then the altar was basically set with food. We had some tropical food there, some candles, incense, and then the drumming came around.
Yes, correct. I believe that was August 2019. But anyway, yes, that was an impromptu altar that was set up during the time that we were in Belize. It was like the group that was there, we felt the calling of the ancestors, and it was just like, again, an impromptu moment, and whatever we had there on us, like whatever we had in as far as food and fruits and drinks and stuff like that, we just put it together for the ancestors, just to give them an honoring and showing them how much we respect them and how much we cherish and remember them. So that was one of those impromptu collective memories that we shared at that moment.